Hello, I will be showing you my castle today. I have a bunch of them, and I will be showing you 3. I made one by myself, and 2 were made by my friends. Let's start. As you can see over there, that is my castle. We call it the Aztec castle because it kind of has a little feel of a pyramid. Over there is my friend's castle. We call it the ancient castle because it has little towers and forts. Then over here is a castle that we all built together, but mostly by my brother. And we call this one the best one. Well, thank you for visiting my castles, and if you can, subscribe to me and like this video, because I will always like the support.